Whether you're new to offshore company registration or thinking about moving your business overseas, Hong Kong and the British Virgin Islands, or BVI, are two options you have probably heard about. To save you time, here is something you should know. Unless you work in high finance like investment funds, or you are a large company with complex structures, you should avoid the BVI in most cases. Hi, I'm Axel from Statrys. In this video, I will show you 3 reasons why Hong Kong is almost always the better choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs like consultants, online stores, and import-export companies when it comes to moving your business overseas. Let's dive in. The first reason Hong Kong beats the BVI is related to business accounts and payments. Here is the reality. Whether you are registered in the BVI or in Hong Kong, you will face challenges with traditional banks. But the challenges for BVI companies are much worse. Major banks do not trust BVI companies. Thanks to the BVI's reputation for secrecy and financial scandals, most banks either reject BVI applications immediately or subject them to intense scrutiny. The few banks that will work with you are usually small, expensive institutions with poor service. But here is the biggest problem. Even if you get a business account in the BVI, your payments get flagged constantly. Imagine telling a client, sorry, your payment is frozen for 2 weeks while the bank investigates. Hong Kong has challenges with traditional banks too. If you are a small business or entrepreneur, do not expect to walk into HSBC and walk out with an account. You might wait weeks or even months just to hear back, and they will very likely reject your application. But here is the key difference. Hong Kong companies can easily set up business accounts with fintech alternatives like Statrys. Hong Kong's credibility as a global financial hub ensures smoother cross-border payments, facilitating business with clients and suppliers worldwide. And for entrepreneurs engaged in online business, another major benefit is that major payment processors like Stripe and PayPal trust Hong Kong-based companies. As a result, your customers are less likely to encounter issues with online payments or frustrating credit card declines. The second advantage Hong Kong has over the BVI is reputation and trust. When you mention the British Virgin Islands, many clients immediately think of the Panama Papers, money laundering, and tax evasion scandals. The BVI has long been linked to financial secrecy and offshore tax avoidance, attracting intense scrutiny from global watchdogs like the OECD and the Financial Action Task Force. Because of this history, your potential clients or suppliers may ask, is this business legitimate? Or can I trust these people? Many companies and financial institutions have policies restricting or prohibiting dealings with entities registered in high-risk jurisdictions like the BVI. This means, as a BVI company, you often have to go the extra mile to prove your legitimacy and transparency. On the other hand, when you say Hong Kong, people tend to think of a professional, international, and trustworthy business environment. Hong Kong is recognized worldwide as a major financial hub with a transparent, reliable legal system. It has strict compliance and reporting requirements, including audited financial statements and clear corporate governance, which provide partners and clients with greater confidence. While the BVI is still used legitimately in very specific contexts, such as certain investment funds or asset holding structures, for most small businesses operating internationally, Hong Kong's reputation creates fewer barriers and smoother relationships. First impressions do matter in business. With a Hong Kong company, you make the right first impression, one of professionalism and trust. The third reason to choose Hong Kong is the major, stable tax system. Both Hong Kong and the BVI offer tax advantages, but Hong Kong stands out for its long-standing, predictable regulations and consistent territorial tax system. Under this system, foreign-sourced income may qualify for 0% corporate tax rate, provided that you can prove your business generates profits entirely outside Hong Kong and that your company's operations take place entirely abroad. This means your business activities, clients, suppliers, and management all must be located outside of Hong Kong. In contrast, the BVI, under increasing international pressure from organizations like the OECD and the EU, has introduced new compliance rules. Many BVI companies now face annual filings and documentation requirements, including economic substance rules, which require maintaining staff, offices, and business activity in the BVI for companies engaged in certain relevant activities, such as intellectual property holding, finance and leasing, or acting as a holding company, as well as expanded beneficial ownership reporting obligations. In short, while both jurisdictions offer tax advantages, Hong Kong's transparent and stable tax regime combined with its simple offshore profit exemption make it a more predictable choice for most entrepreneurs and small business owners seeking a simple offshore structure. The BVI's evolving regulations may introduce unexpected costs and complexities that can outweigh its traditional benefits. Before choosing where to incorporate, it is worth thinking not just about today, but about your business future in the face of ever-changing regulations. Think about your business in 5 years. Where do you want it to be? The BVI faces growing international pressure and rising compliance challenges. Many offshore jurisdictions, including the BVI, are seeing increased scrutiny from regulators and banks. Financial institutions are steadily reducing services to these locations they consider high risk, leading to real-world impact like denied business accounts, payment delays, and stricter reporting obligations. If you're the average small business owner or entrepreneur, these are headaches you will want to avoid. Stability and future-proofing are crucial when choosing where to set up your company. And for the majority of entrepreneurs watching this video, Hong Kong is the smart and reliable choice for the years ahead. At Statrys, we solve Hong Kong's biggest challenge for foreign entrepreneurs, getting everything set up remotely without the need to travel. We've helped thousands of people successfully establish their Hong Kong companies, open business accounts, and maintain ongoing compliance. Our fully online process is supported by dedicated account managers who provide personalized, responsive customer service every step of the way. Ready to make the smart choice? Visit Statrys.com and click Get Started to begin your Hong Kong company setup today. Have questions? Reach out anytime via live chat on our website, WhatsApp, or email us at support@statrys.com. Thanks for watching.